Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites. Your Roblox account must be age verified as 13 or older and have a confirmed email. Once done, make sure you've enabled two-step or phone verification for account trust. Next, open the Roblox app or a supported browser and grant microphone permissions when prompted. This allows voice to function. You need these pieces in place before you look for voice chat controls, because Roblox restricts voice to Now you'll locate and enable voice chat controls. In the Roblox app, tap the gear or hamburger menu, then Settings, and go to Privacy or Account Settings. On desktop, use the main Settings menu. Once there, find the voice chat toggle and switch it on. This activates Roblox's in-game voice features. Make sure your operating system and browser have microphone permissions granted. Without OS-level access, the toggle won't function. If you use an external headset, connect it before enabling voice. Finally, join a Roblox game that supports voice and watch for the microphone or voice icon on screen. This indicates the feature is active in that server. Once inside, press the push-to-talk or use the open mic depending on settings and run a quick test with a friend or the built-in voice test. If it fails, check your headset, recheck permissions, update the Roblox app, and restart your device. These steps resolve most connectivity and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.